Emily English Daily.
Listen, learn English every day.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Emily English Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with all of you for another energizing conversation.
Today, we are talking about something that makes us feel strong, healthy, and confident.
Yes, we are going to the gym, and specifically how to talk about fitness, workouts, and exercise in clear, natural English.
Oh, the gym is such a great place to practice English because everyone there is usually in a good mood and ready to chat.
Have you ever walked into a gym in an English-speaking country and felt totally lost?
Yes, so many learners have shared that story with me. They do not know the names of the machines, the trainer is asking about their goals, and they cannot understand a single word anyone is saying.
Exactly, and that is such a shame because the gym is actually one of the most welcoming social English environments.
Well, don't worry, because today we are going to fix that together. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly what to say at sign-up, in a workout class, and when chatting with other gym members in English.
And don't miss the full gym practice at the end. It is going to feel just like a real first visit to a fitness center.
So, Emily, where should we start? What is the very first thing that happens when you walk into a gym for the first time?
The first thing is usually a tour with a staff member or a personal trainer. They'll show you around and explain the different areas.
That is a perfect introduction, and you can ask, "Could I sign up for a membership today, please?"
Exactly. To sign up, you can say, "I would like to join the gym, please. Could you tell me about your membership options?"
That is a great question. Most gyms offer monthly, annual, or pay-as-you-go options. You can also ask, "Is there a free trial I can try first?"
That is a very smart question. Now, what if a personal trainer approaches you? How do you talk to them?
Yes, the trainer might say, "Hi, I'm Coach Sarah. Are you a member here?" You can answer, "Yes, I just signed up today. This is actually my first time at a gym."
That is honest and friendly. The trainer will then ask, "What are your fitness goals?"
You can answer, "I want to lose weight and build some muscle," or "I just want to stay healthy and active," or "I'm training for a half marathon in the spring."
Those are all very common goals. The trainer will then ask, "How often do you plan to work out each week?"
You can say, "I'm hoping to come about 3 times a week," or "I can only make it on weekdays after work."
That is very practical. Now, let's talk about the most common gym vocabulary. This is where many learners feel overwhelmed.
Yes, let's start with the main areas. The cardio area has machines like the treadmill, the stationary bike, the elliptical, and the rowing machine.
And the weight room has free weights like dumbbells and barbells and weight machines for different muscle groups.
Exactly, and you can say, "I usually start with 20 minutes on the treadmill to warm up," or "I love using the rowing machine because it works my whole body."
Those are great sentences. Now, how do you describe specific exercises?
You can say, "I'm doing some squats to work my legs," or "I'm doing bench press to strengthen my chest."
And you can say, "I'm doing push-ups and pull-ups to build upper body strength," or "I'm finishing my workout with some stretching."
That is a perfect workout description. And how do you ask for help with a machine?
You can say, "Excuse me, could you show me how to use this machine, please?" Or, "I've never used a Smith machine before. Could you give me a quick tutorial?"
That's super polite. Now, how do you chat with other gym members? This is a great way to practice small talk.
Yes, you can say, "Are you almost done with this bench? I'd love to use it next." Or, "That's great form. How long have you been lifting?"
And you can say, "I'm dying after that set. How many more do you have?" That is a very friendly gym phrase. Dying after that set means you're completely exhausted.
Exactly. And how do you give encouragement to a fellow member?
You can say, "You got this, one more rep," or "Come on, push through it, you're almost there."
You got this. That is the most common encouragement phrase in any gym. It's short, punchy, and powerful.
Exactly. Now, how do you follow an instructor in a group class? This can feel really fast.
Yes, the instructor will usually say, "Welcome everyone. Today we are going to do a full body workout."
And they will say, let's start with a warm-up. March in place for 30 seconds.
You can ask the person next to you, "Excuse me, what does march in place mean?" They will be happy to show you.
That is super helpful. And the instructor will often say things like, pick up your weights. We are doing 3 sets of 12 reps.
3 sets of 12 reps is a very common fitness instruction. It means you do 12 repetitions, rest, then do it 2 more times.
Exactly. Now, how do you talk about your fitness routine outside the gym?
You can say, "I try to work out 4 times a week," or "I usually do cardio in the morning and strength training in the evening."
And you can say, I have been working out consistently for about 6 months now, and I'm starting to see real results.
That is such a great sentence. It shows commitment and progress.
Exactly. And you can say, I am trying to drink more water and get 8 hours of sleep to support my fitness goals.
That is the perfect holistic view of health. Now, how do you talk about muscle soreness?
You can say, I'm so sore from my leg day yesterday. I can barely walk up the stairs.
Or, "My whole body aches. I think I overdid it at the gym on Monday."
And you can say, I love that sore feeling. It means I actually worked my muscles.
Sore is such a useful word. It means your muscles hurt a little after exercise.
Exactly. Now, how do you politely decline an invitation to exercise when you are tired?
You can say, "I would love to, but I'm just going to do a light stretch session today. I need to rest my body."
Or, I'm taking a rest day today. My muscles need time to recover.
Rest day. That is a very common gym phrase. It means a day off from intense exercise.
Exactly. Now, what about gym etiquette? Are there any polite phrases you should know?
Yes, always wipe down the equipment after you use it. There are usually spray bottles and paper towels around the gym.
And you can say, excuse me, I'm going to work in between your sets. Is that okay? Working in means taking turns on the same equipment.
That is a great etiquette phrase. And you should always return your weights to the rack when you're done. You can say, "I'll put these dumbbells back when I'm finished."
That's super considerate. Now, Tom, I think it's time for us to slow down and look at our pocket words.
Everybody, it's time for our favorite vocabulary spotlight, pocket words.
These are 4 super useful words from today's gym episode that you can put right into your mental pocket and use on your next workout.
I'm ready, Emily. What is our very first pocket word for today?
Our first word is warm up. Let's say that one more time for the ear.
Warm up.
To warm up means to do light exercise before a more intense workout. It prepares your body and prevents injury.
For example, you could say, "Always warm up for at least 5 minutes before lifting weights," or "I like to warm up with some light jogging on the treadmill."
That is a perfect example. What is our second pocket word, Tom?
Our second word is reps. Let's repeat that.
Reps.
Reps is short for repetitions. It means the number of times you perform one exercise in a row. For example, 10 push-ups means 10 reps.
Right. You might say, I did 3 sets of 15 reps on the bench press. Or, how many reps do you usually do for squats?
That is so useful. What is our third pocket word today, Emily?
Our third word is cool down. Let's say it again.
Cool down.
A cool down is the light stretching or walking you do after a workout to help your body recover and prevent soreness.
For example, always end your workout with a 5-minute cool down. Or, "I like to do some gentle yoga poses as a cool down."
That is a very important word. What is our fourth and final pocket word, Tom?
Our fourth word is gains. Let's repeat that.
Gains.
Gains is a casual gym word for muscle growth and physical progress. People say, no pain, no gains, to mean you have to work hard to see results.
You could say, I'm so proud of my gains this month. I can finally do 10 pull-ups in a row. Or, what exercises are best for leg gains?
Those are 4 incredible words that will help you sound like a real gym enthusiast. Now that we have these great words in our pocket, Emily, let's polish up our sentences.
Oh yes, it's time for our next fun segment, Smooth It Out.
This is where we take a simple learner sentence and upgrade it so it sounds much smoother, more natural, and just like a native speaker.
Let's look at our first learner sentence today. Imagine a trainer asks what you want to do and you say, I want lose weight. How can we smooth that out?
I want lose weight is missing the preposition and the structure. Let us make it sound more natural.
To sound smoother, you can say, I would like to lose about 10 pounds and feel stronger overall. Or, my main goal is to lose weight and build some muscle.
My main goal is to lose weight and build some muscle. That sounds so much more specific and confident.
It really does. What about describing a workout? Some learners say, I do exercise with machine. How do we upgrade that?
I do exercise with machine is very vague. Let us add specific machine names and structure.
To sound much more natural, you can say, I usually do 30 minutes of cardio on the treadmill, followed by some strength training on the weight machines.
I usually do 30 minutes of cardio on the treadmill. That sounds so much clearer and more professional.
Exactly. And let's do one more. What if a learner is sore and says, my body is pain?
My body is pain is grammatically incorrect.
To smooth it out, you can say, my whole body is so sore today, I can barely move. Or, I am extremely sore from my leg workout yesterday.
I am extremely sore from my leg workout yesterday. That sounds so much more vivid and natural.
Yes, small upgrades like those make a huge difference.
And now it is time to put everything together.
That's right, everyone. It is time for our real-life practice conversation.
In this dialogue, Tom and I will role-play a realistic first visit to a gym where a new member signs up and meets a personal trainer. Notice how we use today's phrases, vocabulary, and pocket words in action.
I will be the new member, and Tom will be the personal trainer. Let's listen.
Welcome to Powerhouse Gym. I'm Tom, your personal trainer. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I just signed up for a membership this morning. I'm excited, but also a little nervous.
That is totally normal. Let me ask you a few questions so I can help you get started. What are your fitness goals?
Honestly, I want to lose about 10 pounds and build some muscle. I've never really done strength training before.
That is a great goal. How often do you think you can work out each week?
I'm hoping to come about 3 times a week, mostly in the evenings after work.
Perfect. We'll start you off slow. Let me show you how to warm up on the treadmill.
Sounds good. Should I stretch first?
Light stretching is great, but let me show you a few simple dynamic stretches first.
How long should I stay on the treadmill?
Start with about 15 minutes at a comfortable pace. Then we'll move to some basic strength training.
Okay, that sounds manageable.
You are going to do great. Just take it slow, listen to your body, and don't be afraid to ask for help.
Thank you so much, Tom. I'm really looking forward to this.
You're very welcome. Welcome to the gym. Let's get started.
And cut. Wow, Tom, that was such a supportive and encouraging first gym experience.
Thank you, Emily. And to all of our amazing listeners, see how a few fitness words can make your gym visit so much more fun and productive?
You don't need to know every exercise name in the dictionary. Just learn the basics: cardio, weights, warm-up, cool-down, and you'll be ready to start.
That is the absolute truth. You're going to crush your fitness goals in English.
Thank you so much for spending your time learning with us today.
Yes, thank you, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to Emily English Daily. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment telling us your favorite way to stay fit.
Keep practicing your English every single day. Stay active, stay strong, and we'll see you right back here next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.